Good morning, everyone. It's morning, just before we're getting ready to head out to Canyonlands. Last night it was raining like crazy, so we pushed, we pulled the car out really quick and pushed this in so we could pack it up at night. It's been raining all night. You can see the ground's all wet outside. But of course now it's in forward and I need to hook up my car to it. So I gotta turn it around and get it facing outside so I can hook it up to my vehicle. My wife helped me push it in last night, but I'm gonna go and turn it around by myself so you can kind of see. It's not too hard to maneuver, which is kind of nice. Anyways, there it is. Anyway, I don't know if you got me into the front area. I mean, I'm pretty out of shape. I haven't been working out as much as I should have. I should be anyway, but I consider myself above average strength-wise, maybe a little bit too much extra insulation, but I just turned it around all by myself. Obviously, if you had an extra person, it's like, don't even break I'm not breaking a sweat. No sweat. It's a little chilly outside, but anyways, try doing that with most of your travel trailers, right? So super cool. Anyways, we're gonna get hooked up, get some last minute stuff packed, and I'm gonna be meeting up with the other guys here in a little bit, and we're gonna rendezvous and boom, head on down to Canyonlands anyways, so super excited. In case you're wondering where you're looking at the ground or where you're at, you're attached suction cup to the back of the Land Rover's windshield. So the hitch is right here. I'm gonna just kind of demonstrate hooking this trailer up really quick, so lots of people wonder or curious. I'm bringing the trailer down from my garage. As you can see, nice thing is I'm kind of on a slope here, and I got an e-brake so I can brake it so it doesn't crash into me. This guy is the U-bolt hitch. That's what comes with the Black Series. This is what attaches to your vehicle. So that's your standard, like a fifth wheel hitch. The Land Rover rides a little bit lower, and this thing is pretty high. So I have about a 4-inch rise, I think, on this is what I'm running about to make it run nice and level. So I'm gonna hook that into this guy. There we are, hooked up to the vehicle now. And now we're just gonna crank ourselves up a little bit. A little bit more. Grab your pin. This guy has a little spring here and a washer. So you're gonna pop, if you can see that, you're gonna pop out the cotter pin, put the brake back down a little bit, get it lined up. Boom. Pin goes under here, hooks in right there. Of course, now I can take off the brake. I'm gonna put the brake on anyways, it's because I'm not driving yet. You're gonna, of course, do the safety chains. Recommend that you go around, you cross them, in case by some chance this came unhooked, they would catch the trailer, and then the trailer would be resting on this. I mean, I don't want to jinx myself, but I highly doubt this type of hitch is ever gonna come unhitched like any regular standard balls. Those things are so, I see those pop out all the time. I really highly doubt that's gonna happen with this guy. But it's always good to have extra safety chains. And those safety chains are 2 times thicker than what is required. So that's actually by the standard of what you actually have to put on a trailer. These are 2 times thicker. So that's pretty cool. Extra safety, extra beefiness. And that's your brakes, it's your lights. And I just got this installed into the LR3. That's it. It's pretty easy. One person can do it, as you just saw. But there's your articulating hitch. It's gonna go this way, up and down, rotate this way. So super cool and easy. But anyways, I gotta hurry up and get packed and meet up with the other guys.
Good afternoon, Michael here. Just finishing up the pack-in. Couldn't finish everything last night. It was a little rainy, so I didn't really want to do a video either. So I'm just here at my house, loading up the HQ12 here. Just the last couple minute things, packing it up. Filled up my propane tanks this morning and got all my water in here. You can see it's got 2 spots to hold I got a thing of extra fuel and an extra thing of water, and I threw some more. Just, it never hurts to have a lot of extra, Propane tanks, it's 4.5 gallons each, so those are all loaded, ready to go. Last night was nice because I have all these LED lighting all around, and it was so bright, it lit up the entire area, so makes it easy for packing. This got some pretty good amount of storage. That's loaded and it's all the way in the back too. It goes under the bed a bit too. So that's nice. I got my fridge all loaded up, ready to go. I think I'll be pretty good for these couple days. And then just got a bunch of other stuff inside. I don't know if you want to take a look. Kind of packed everything up, and I think I'm pretty ready to go. I think I'm prepared for Canyonlands, so we're excited. Stay tuned for the rest. So we'll see ya.
Here we are. It's night before, getting ready to head down to Canyonlands. Got some jerry cans, got some gear, getting ready to getting set up, getting some extra fuel. Courtney, are you excited?
Things that I wanted to mention is check out, this is the Patron. Dominator's the same length, Alpha's a little shorter, fits inside my garage. One of the things that I don't like about my garage is it's not long enough to fit my truck, but it will fit the trailer, which is super cool. You know, my wife pulled in and she's just like, it's pouring. It stopped a little bit ago, but she's like, it's pouring. Help me pack the trailer up. And I was like, hey, it was sitting out on the driveway, and I was like, hey, let's not do that. Let's just bring it inside the garage. So we pulled the car out, pulled this guy right in, and boom, voila. Anyway, we're just kind of getting set up for tomorrow. It's kind of a mess in here. You can see I got up my camp chairs, got some containers, but yeah, we're gonna fill up the rack. Got the food almost all filled up inside the fridge already. So, but yeah, there you go. Super cool. Fits yourself right inside your garage. I have a 2-car garage. If I had a 3, man, this guy would just stay inside all the time. And so pretty cool. Anyways, peace out. Super excited. Gonna be seeing you on the road tomorrow.